Welcome to Tutor Online. New Syllabus Mathematics Book 1 7th Edition, Chapter 8, Percentage, Exercise 8A, Question number 14, Intermediate Level. Question number 14. There are 600 pages in a novel. Rui Feng reads 150 pages of the novel on Friday and 40% of the remaining pages on Sunday. Express the number of pages that remains to be read as a percentage of the total number of pages in the novel. First we have to calculate the number of remaining pages after reading 150 pages. To do so, subtract 150 from total pages of the novel that are 600. After subtracting, we have 450 pages that are remaining after Friday. Now he reads 40% of these remaining pages on Sunday, so we have to calculate 40% of 450 pages. To do so, we will multiply 40% by 450. Now we will remove the percentage sign. To do so, we have to place 100 in denominator. If there are zeros at the end of numbers in fraction, then we can cancel equal number of zeros from numerator and denominator as shown in steps. Therefore, he reads 180 pages on Sunday. Now we will calculate the number of pages that are remaining to be read after Sunday. To do so, we will subtract the sum of pages that he read on Friday and Sunday from total number of pages in the novel. After subtracting, we have 270, therefore, there are 270 pages that remains to be read after Sunday. We have calculated the number of pages that remains to be read, and now we have to write them as a percentage of total pages in the novel. To do so, we will divide the number of remaining pages by total pages and then multiply the result by 100 and place percentage sign next to it and simplify. If there are zeros at the end of numbers in fraction, then we can cancel equal number of zeros from numerator and denominator as shown. Now simplify the fraction. After simplification, we have 45%, therefore, 45% of pages are remaining to be read after Sunday. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe our channel by clicking the button below. Also press bell icon in order to get notifications of our future videos.